A very good morning to all my little dear students. In the previous class, we have completed reader exercise from page 9 to 13 and the new words. I hope you all have done your work. In today's class, we will be doing again the reader exercise, which is leftover, and opposites and singular plural in our classworks. So be ready with your readers, then we will do our classwork. Yes, children, open your readers, page number 14. Today we will be doing reader exercise on page number 14 and 15. Now, what do you see in this picture? I know you all know it's a tree. Now, what does a tree gives you? We'll see. I give you shade. I give you fruits. I have green leaves. These are all green leaves. I am big and strong. Okay, the tree is tall and it is also big and strong. I am a dash. What is it? It's a tree. So you will be writing here tree. Okay. Next you have few means of transport. You have to find it in the grid. First one is BUS, bus. BICYCLE, bicycle. BOAT, boat. The next one is SHIP, ship. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. CAR, car. You have to find all these in this word grid. So first one is on top, BICYCLE, bicycle. So just circle it and get it into the circle. Now next one is BOAT, boat, under it. Then BUS, bus. Here you have SHIP, ship. Here you have aeroplane. Aeroplane. Okay. Then you have CAR, car. How many we have to find? We have to find 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we got all 6 children. Okay. Then we will go to the next page and we have to fill in these words with A and E. This is TEACHER, teacher. This is CHILDREN, children. This is shopkeeper. KEEPER, shopkeeper. Then this is GOAT, goat. In this you have to use I to complete the words. PILOT, pilot. CRICKETER, cricketer. ENGINE, engine. BIRD, bird. Now next you have picture composition, in which you will be given a picture and asked a few questions. So in this picture, what do you see? The children are playing. A girl is swinging. A boy is carrying a teddy bear. A baby is in the pram. The dog is white with black spots. A cat is on the tree. And it's a beautiful park. Okay. Now we have a help box. Using this help box, we have to fill in the blanks. What is on the tree? What do you see on the tree, children? There is a cat on the tree. So here we have cat. So we will be writing CAT, cat, in the dash. A cat is on the tree. Okay. What does the boy have? What does the boy have in his hand? It's a teddy bear. Yes, it's a teddy bear. So we will write the boy has a teddy bear. We have to write teddy, BEAR, bear. Now who is on the swing? Who is on the swing? The girl is on the swing. So here girl is written. So we have to write a girl. Okay. Now who is in the pram? Obviously, who is sitting in the pram? It's a baby. So here we have baby, a baby. Okay, a baby. In this way, you will be completing lesson 1 reader exercise. Now it's time to open your English classwork. Yes, right. Today's date. I hope you all have written new words in your classwork. Today's date is 4th November 2020. Opposites, children. Okay. First one is correct. WRONG, wrong. Second one is THROW, throw. CATCH, catch. GOOD, good. BAD, bad. TAKE, take. GIVE, give. Once again we'll read correct, wrong, throw, catch, good, bad, take, give. On the same page we will be writing the heading as singular and plural. Singular and plural as already done, it's one more than one. If it is one, we say wing, WING, wing. If there are two or many, we say WINGS, wings. We add S to it, okay? Then BEE, BEES, bees. FISH, fish. When the word is ending with SH, we add ES to it. So if it is fishes. FISHES, fishes. Crocodile, crocodiles. We add S to it, children. Okay. Now butterfly. If it is ending with Y, we add IES to it. Okay. Butterflies, FLIES, butterflies. In this way, you will be completing your classwork and sending only the classwork in the group. Reader exercise, you have to do it and send the classwork in the group. Thank you, children. See you in the next class. Bye bye.